स्टैंडर्ड फिफ्थ, सब्जेक्ट है एवियस, चैप्टर है 5 रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट्स। आपका 1 to 4 चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया है। आज आपका ये न्यू चैप्टर है। कौन सा है? रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट्स। लाइफ इज फाउंड ऑन द अर्थ इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स लाइक प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स एंड ह्यूमन बींग्स। लाइफ अपने को कौन से फाउंड मिलती है? देखो, अर्थ पे, धरती पे डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स में, जैसे प्लांट्स है, एनिमल्स है और ह्यूमन बींग्स। ऑल दीज आर लिविंग बींग्स एंड possesses more common characteristics like need for food and water, breathing, growth, excretion and reproduction. The main characteristics of all living things is the process by reproduction. That is the process by which living things produce new living things of the same kind. Let us study how new plants are produced and how they grow. वो कैसे प्रोड्यूस होता है और कैसे ग्रो मीन्स कैसे बढ़ता है, उसके बारे में चैप्टर है। Reproduction in plants. Like animals, plants have to reproduce to maintain their existence. It is a reproduction that result in the growth of more and more plants on our earth. Plants reproduce in different ways. Most plants reproduction through seeds. Some plants reproduce through spores and some plants reproduce through their other body parts. Reproduction through seeds. Most plants bear flowers when insects visit a flower for nectar. The yellow pollens of the flowers stick to their body. As the insects visit another flower, the pollen grains from their body enter the sticky tube of that flower. This tube is called the stigma. The pollen grain helps in the formation of a fruit. This process is called pollination. Next, the process by which a fruit is formed is called fertilization. After fertilization, the flower dries up and a fruit is formed. A fleshy pulp protects the seeds which grow inside the fruit. We generally eat the pulp of the fruit and throw away the seeds. From the seeds new plants grow. A plant produces many seeds. Plants क्या करता है? Many seeds produce करता है. But not every seeds get a chance to grow into a new plant. Some do not get the right conditions. Some are eaten by animals. देखो, कई क्या एनिमल्स खा जाते हैं, कई की कंडीशन राइट नहीं होती है, डिस्ट्रॉयड हो जाते हैं बैड वेदर के लिए, एंड सम आर नॉट मैच्योर इनफ टू ग्रो इनटू न्यू प्लांट। कई मैच्योर नहीं होते हैं न्यू प्लांट मीन्स ग्रो होने में। ये आपको पिक्चर में बताया है, देखो, ठीक है, आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में देख लेना। स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ सीड। स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है? देखो सीड का। All seeds consist of 3 parts: seed coat, cotyledons and embryo. कितने पार्ट्स होते हैं? 3. सीड कोट, cotyledons and embryo. ये आपको स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सीड का। सीड कोट इज द हार्ड आउटर कवरिंग ऑफ द सीड। वो हार्ड आउटर कवरिंग है, बाहर का कवर है किसका? सीड का। दैट प्रोटेक्ट्स द सीड लीव्स। वो क्या प्रोटेक्ट करता है? वो प्रोटेक्ट किससे करता है? सीड लीव्स को। Cotyledons are the seed leaves. They provide food to the baby plant or embryo and also protect it. Some seeds like corn and onion have 1 cotyledons. Seeds like peanuts and rajma have 2 cotyledons. Embryo is the baby plant inside the seed. When the conditions are favorable, it forms a seedling. Germination. The growing of a baby plant from a seed is called germination. A seed may have to wait for a very long time before conditions are right for it to start to grow or germinate. Its most important needs are air, water, and warmth. When it gets the right amount of all these things, it germinates. The first stage of germination cannot be seen from the outside. The baby plant or embryo grows rapidly by using up its food supply. Soon it is big enough to burst through the seed coat. The first part to appear is the root, which is soon covered with tiny hair. The root absorbs more water and minerals for the plant. Next, the shoot appears. It rapidly grows towards the light. It becomes it becomes green and starts making food. The plant at this stage is called as seeding. Gradually it grows into a new adult plant. ये आपको how a seed grows into an adult plant किस पिक्चर में बताया है देखो. Dispersal of seeds. What would happen if a seed grow up beneath its parent plant? Well, it will probably be shaded from the sunlight it needs in order to grow. It will not have enough space either. It will also not get enough water and minerals to grow well. What does it need to grow into a healthy plant? देखो हेल्दी प्लांट के लिए क्या क्या खाली पानी ज़रूरत नहीं है, पानी इनफ नहीं है, मीन्स वाटर इनफ नहीं है, मिनरल्स इनफ नहीं है, स्पेस भी इनफ नहीं, बट क्या देखो हेल्दी प्लांट इट नीड टू फाइंड अ न्यू प्लेस एज इट्स ओन होम, बट द प्लांट्स आर अनेबल टू मूव ऑन देयर ऑन. सो नेचर हेल्प्स द सीड्स टू ट्रैवल अवे फ्रॉम द पेरेंट प्लांट. This process of traveling or scattering of seeds to different places is called dispersal of seeds. Seeds are dispersed by wind, water, animals and explosion. These are called agents of dispersal. Wind. Some seeds have wings or hair on them. They are light in weight. These features help the seeds to be dispersed by wind. Examples of such seeds are dandelion, cotton, and hiptage. Seeds, fluff, hair, and wings help the seeds to float in the air. Water. The seeds of water plants and plants which grow near water are dispersed by water. These seeds have certain features which enable them to float on water. For example, coconut seeds have a thick fibrous outer coat and the lotus fruit has a spongy part of which make them light and enable to float on water. Animals. Many fruits and seeds are eaten by animals as well as human beings. These pass out in their waste. Human beings eat many fruits and throw their seeds here and there. Human beings क्या करते हैं, many fruits खाते हैं और उसके जो seeds होते हैं here and there कहीं भी throw करते हैं, यहाँ वहाँ कहीं भी throw करते हैं. Example fruits like peas, lady's finger, balsam and pansy buds open when they dry. The seeds are scattered with great force. ये चैप्टर आपका भी इनकम्प्लीट है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसको कंप्लीट करवाऊंगी. ये चैप्टर आपको रीड करना है.